Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is Friday, the 6th of March, 2026, and we're about to do some nails. These are nails. I'm not a perfect girl. I will drop my feet at the door. I will bring myself and nothing more. But today, I'm going to show you step by step how I got my nails done. So first, this is the offer that I put my nails. You would get to hear all about my past. This is the glue. What I've done, what I've seen, and this is the and this is my lamp. Yeah. So you don't wanna be first, my nails are okay. Nails can't hold up of your nails. I'm a DIY girly, so I save a lot. So when it comes on to maintenance, I save a lot. Next, you're gonna push back your cuticles. Gonna push the cuticles. You don't want it. You don't want the nails to be on your cuticles, so we're gonna push it back, just like this. And the glue that I'm using, it's approximately $150 Jamaican. So yeah, you can get it. It's very strong. It's all very strong. So you're gonna continue buffing. You don't want to buff it too much because you just want it to look like this when you're finished. And I'm going to do the same on my right. So you're going to find the nails that match. I'm doing something, Adriana. You're going to find your match and you're going to lay them aside. You want to see what fits. Okay, so I find the match, so I'm going to apply the nails. So yeah, this is it. So this is the glue. You don't want to put too much. You just want to put a little. Just enough. You don't want to put too much. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it. You're just gonna hold it for some seconds, like this. So we're going to move on to the other ones. So I'm moving on. One hand is already finished. So you're basically repeating the same steps. Basically, you just have to prep the nails. You just have to prep the nails before applying. If you need a longer application for it to stay long, you gotta buff it. You gotta prep the nails for it to keep. You don't want to just go ahead and apply the nails onto your nail like that. You gotta buff it and push back the cuticles. It's a quick and easy step. So I don't want them this length. I'm gonna buff them down a little. I'm gonna file it down a little. This is what it's giving. This is what it's looking like so far, and I'm not finished. I didn't add any top coat as yet, but this is what it's giving, and I absolutely love it. It's not the first time wearing these nails. I really, really love them. They are quick and easy. I save money doing these myself, so I'm gonna start with this time. So as I said, you're basically repeating the same steps. You don't want to put a lot of glue. You don't want to put a lot of glue. You just want to put enough. And you're going to hold it down for some seconds for it to dry. So I'm almost done. One more to go. One more to go. Okay, so I'm finished. Okay, I'm finished the application. So this is what they're looking like. So I'm gonna just buff them down to my likings because I don't want them this length. So I'm just gonna buff them down to my likings. You can buff them down to like your likings, what length you like. I stay at home mom, so you know. I always like them short as possible still, but you know they're easier to handle. So I like them this length, so I'm just buffing them down to my liking. They coming on just the way I like them. Coming on to perfection. Coming on nicely. Cute and girly. This is how I do my maintenance. And you just want to go in with your cuticle trimmer. And you want to take all the leftover file nails from under the bottom because you want your nails to be crisp and nice. You want to look like you just came from the nail tech, so you gotta do it good. You don't want to just bitch it up, as they would say. These plain white nails, they are so tea. I love them. I love, 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 love them. You can get them on Shein to buy. You can get them on Shein. I don't, as I said, I don't quite remember the price, but they are affordable. You want to buff them square. You don't want to round them up. So you're just gonna buff like that. And you're gonna go in with your cuticle trimmer and you're gonna clear away all the file edges. So I'm finished shaping up. So this is what they are looking like now. So I'm going to go in with my top coat. I also got these from Shein. I got a variety of them in like about 4 different colors and this coat. This is the top coat. So I'm gonna go in with my top coat. So guys, as I was saying, yeah, you wanna get these crisp and clean. So you gotta go in with your cuticle trimmer and clear off all the shaved edges. So as I said before, our top coat. So and this is the gel top coat. It has to be cured under UV light. So I'm going to put them under the UV light for them to try. So this is what it's looking like after the top coat. So I'm going to do this eye.